Hello, my beautiful people. On a day today, and I'm gonna get Sandra Inoke, aka the life too short to do over the thing. It's today on the first time when they see my video. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, please. If you don't see my video before, welcome back, my family, my sisters for life. Well, really, this video I really want to appreciate. I want to appreciate people when they say they support me throughout the few time for my journey for this YouTube. Guys, you are awesome. I want to appreciate you, and also I want to say thank you to people that have subscribed. People who don't subscribe to me, I want to say thank you. May God bless you guys. Well, last time I do one LS and I discussed about one Nigerian girl will be say a Lebanese boss won't say her out. So the Lebanese boss, they advertise her for $1,000. So in the advertiser for Facebook. So somebody can't see him. Now I want to tell you guys, say they don't arrest that Lebanese guy. Because when person see him, not even I think the Nigeria person not even self, so they can't need to find out. The Lebanese government can't find the guy. The guy even be the wrong before they can't catch him. So I really appreciate say they arrest the guy, but also there are other people. There are other people may they do more, because now the one we come outside now they see. Some people they will be say they don't sell them already. They do them trade by barter now, like saying are goods. So I beg any country, mona pour it down for people, because we don't pass that era of slave trade. We don't pass that era. Not be by this time, not this 21st century, we consider observe those kind of things. It's still there, even if say they don't catch the guy now. There are other people now when they see they do like that. Well, in another news, I saw one post, and the thing really touched my heart. Like seriously, people see they do this kind of thing. So this thing are about one housemaid for Lagos, when they say she commits suicide. So our boss when they call Mr. and Mrs. Fortune, Stephen. So they say the housemaid commits suicide because of small misunderstanding when we say they get on the 20th of April this month. So the girl, so the boss said they can't call the agent. Say no, say me they can't carry the girl come out. Say because they get problem. So the next day they say me they go check the girl. They say the girl no he don't hang herself because she's supposed to wake up early in the morning. So now waiting they tell the family, say now waiting. According to the agent, he say Mr. and Mrs. Stephen so say they call her. Say they constantly ask him about the inquiry. What do you know about Joy? What do you know about Joy? According to them, they say now early in the morning Joy did the work before. Say they wait, she not come outside. They constantly go check. Now may they ask them this question: what do keep you for hours? Okay, more say let me say 6 o'clock. Housemaid don't wake up. They don't do what they do. Okay, they don't wake up. You don't wake up 6, 7. Why busy nothing that 11:30? You start to call the agent, say wait to be the inquiry, whether I know any inquiry of Joy, whether I know any information about Joy. Now down one night the whole when did the story take big. Wait to give you that long time. Wait to make you stay before that time. If now Western country they go find waiting cause Joy death. Waiting really cause her. Waiting cause her they go find her. Why you waiting that time? The cousin of this Joy so say the reason why be say it happen like that. Say Joy say me they pay her salary direct to her. I mean then they pay her salary to agent again. Say she want maybe say that they pay her salary direct to her. If person say me you pay her salary direct to her, you pay her salary direct. Because the girl don't, maybe she don't know so that they cheat her. She said me they pay her salary direct. You go pay her salary direct. Now you move the body from, you report to police. They move the body from police station to mortuary. Before na start they call the people wey be say get the family of the girl wey die. Why would they like that? Even the agency, when they call her, say Joy don't commit suicide, say immediately into say who kill her? Because the agency, they don't first pursue the girl before. Say they say make the girl they go. Say the girl reach bus stop. She reach bus stop. She not see bus. She return back. Say now so the boss that they shout say why she will come back. They even see Alara come inside, which is on the 19th of this month, April. So she enter house. Later they pursue am again. The boss they say Joy still Indomie, noodles, and some personal belongings. Why would they like this? When I see this video, I feel bad. Why human beings they like this? Why would they like this? Why would they like this? Guys, if not because say I no go fit show a dead body, I for sure because it go look somehow. The way the girl even dey rope safe, the way they say she dey hang herself, you go know say something is fishy. Really, if person won't hang herself or himself, his leg no go dey ground. Now that kind one I go fit keep person. The girl feet dey ground. How that kind of person? How that person? Even if say you tie rope for your neck safe, your feet dey reach ground. There's nothing wey be say go happen to the person. Even the people when they call me go check the dead body say there's no way be say the girl commit suicide. This one are killing. They just kill the girl. Now waiting the man talk. He said the husband and wife now they did their station. They answer some query. They answer some question. If you see the girl, you go know say definitely that girl not commit suicide. Now that one come bring me say why be say people dey like this? Why be mostly women? Let's be truthful to ourselves. You see, mostly women. You see, some women, it is hard for them to take another person pikin as their own. It is hard to take another person pikin as their own. Somebody don't train that pikin. Only 4 months for that pikin to come work with you. You end the person life. You end the person life 19 good years. Maybe say she don't stay for this life. You go hang her for after na don't beat her finish. Una hang her for rope, pull her leg dey ground. How that kind of person take commit suicide? How person will ever feel die if not be either as strangulation or they beat them together. They go stage suicide for Bariga. Now Bariga this thing for happen. So why are we like this? Human being. Some women, if people they work with them, they hardly, they always separate their children from person when they work with them or person when they stay with them. You forget saying that somebody get that pikin. You forget saying a person born that pikin. You forget say waiting they go if anything you do person they go do you back. I make you see some children they suffer now. They ask yourself say why they suffer. Sometimes now waiting your mama do. Sometimes now waiting your father do another person pikin. Now you they suffer for so. I really feel bad because that woman I don't put that family inside. At least 3 people don't agree say that girl there's no way we say that girl commit suicide. The agent we introduce them to we introduce Joy to this Mr. and Mrs. Stephen. So he said no way we say the girl commit suicide. I made them tell her truth, say they beat the girl to death. The officers when they call say there's no way be say they commit suicide. The family of the girl say there's no way be say she commit suicide. If you want stage suicide, think well. If you want stage suicide, people don't they watch this what do they call them crime watch too much. They don't they watch those things. So if you want stage those kind of suicide, you do away. I thank God say they don't arrest them. Some family they don't get heart for another person. So long say not be their family member. Shebi the Mr. and Mrs. that will get children, right? Una get children. Una get children. If you hear one day say somebody they maltreat your pikin like that, how you go feel? I don't see some case where people say they'll say stepmother, mother they maltreat son. This person so na flesh and blood, now exactly like you. Nobody feel like say they won't die, leave their pikin. No mother just wake up one day say I go die, leave my pikin. Now something will happen. You go see some stepmother they go they maltreat their stepdaughter. You go see some boys that go they maltreat the housemaid. I do one video one time like that when we say I say even if say oga dey sleep with some housemaid, some small housemaid, some wife go know, some wife go cover that shame. Even if say that they rape them, they'll cover that shame for them. You dey damage the pikin life. Why would they do? See, women, mona stop these things mona they do. Some women are very wicked. You don't destroy 19 years old girl and you get pikin. If they do your own like that, if you hear say they do your own heart, you go sweet it for heart. You go sweet it for heart. Really, it really pay me, touch me. Because if you never go through that kind of thing, you will not go understand that. If you never go through. Mona use in our mind. All of us will be human beings. No, they do all those wicked things they give your neighbor. I see some video one time like that when we say housemaid follow oga and oga and madam go some restaurant. The oga and madam they eat, they separate the housemaid. They separate the housemaid. Why? Really just to pay salary direct now. Now take the life of the girl. Now destroy the life of the girl. Because even a fool will know that is a murder. That will not be suicide. Even fool go know say na murder be that, not be suicide. Even fool will know. Some people get many experience concerning this issue. Some people not just understand. Mona take them easy. You guys should take it easy. These people, or that many say they work for now. They are human beings. They are from a family. They from come. They're not just from sky. Don't treat them anyhow. You see some housemaid, they go work from morning till night. Some they're not going to even give them food. Some of them na food when they are picking eat. Some of the mothers they go say they are picking, they insult housemaid when senior them. They not go consure them. Some of them go even say me they are picking, they cause the housemaid. If you die tomorrow, your picking not get where you won't stay. You go stay with somebody. That kind of thing they happen to them. It's sad. So not do person like that, because nobody feel like won't just go they stay person house. See, nobody feel like won't be housemaid though. Nobody. Now condition. Now they make people they choose that kind of job. Nobody like to answer yes sir, yes ma'am. Nobody. Everybody like to be their boss of themselves. So wanna take them easy. Life na small. Well, now this one me see for inside. I pray say they persecute this family. I pray say when I go jail, not be only jail. The way we say when I take joy in life, I pray say they still give una, they still beat una, they still give una according to what una still do joy. Now that one I want to talk about. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Remain blessed, remain safe. Bye. Bye.